Hello, class. The purpose of this video is to help you become familiar with resources designed to help with your weekly homework assignments. Okay, so if you click on the left side of the screen where it says STEM Learning Community, we're the mathematics department, so you scroll down to math. And if you look at MAT 240 recorded webinars, right, we have two links here, but I'd like to start with the first one, recorded webinars. We had a professor that put together videos that will help explain in detail every single one of your homework problems. So if you find that you're struggling, I would highly suggest opening up one of these webinars and kind of watching them as you complete your homework. The professor will explain the concept and then show you how to use StatCrunch to solve the problems. StatCrunch is a nice tool that will really do a lot of the heavy lifting with regard to some of our calculations. So in the past, I've had students kind of shy away from using StatCrunch. They say, oh, I want to use Excel or graphing calculator. I strongly recommend that you use StatCrunch. That will really help you out for the final exam, and it will help you in terms of just saving time. It's very efficient. Okay, so just to kind of show you, if we click on the week 1 session, the YouTube video opens up.
We're now recording the session. So thank you for stopping by. This is the
he recorded this in Adobe Connect, so it takes a second.
For week 1.
Okay.
Welcome to MAT 240. As I mentioned, we are going to be recording.
I'm going to fast forward a little bit.
You don't really need to buy the.
Okay.
So do you see this here? Wrong option here.
He's going into the introduction, but if I look, it looks like this is problem 1, question 14.
And it takes off.
Or 1 of 14, okay. Excuse me.
Well, now you've lost points on part C, but you've got part A and B.
As you see, I can make the screen a little bit bigger. And I guess what I'm trying to get at here is he will go through all of the questions, okay? So, you know, your week 1 assignments, if you struggled with question 7 or question 5, you can actually open up the webinar series and watch the professor complete all of the problems. Now you'll notice week 1 is broken up into session 1 and session 2. He might complete the first 7 problems in session 1 and the remaining problems in session 2. And you notice all of the weeks, that's how it's broken up, right? Week 2, session 1, week 2, session 2, week 3, session 1, week 3, session 2, and so on. So I think that's a good tool for you to explore as you work through the semester, okay? I just brought us back to the screen where you'll see we have 8 weeks, so you'll notice there are 8 recordings and a final exam review, which is also fantastic, okay? And you can see everything you need here, okay? I also wanted to mention Professor Z had a website for us. If you look at MAT 240 additional resources, again, you'll see 8 weeks. If you click week 1, you can see he covers some of the homework problems, problem 6, problem 7, 9, 10, 13, and so on. And he actually does some of the problems by hand, Excel, and StatCrunch. Again, I try to focus on StatCrunch. But if you wanted to look at Excel, that's fine too. But I do feel like StatCrunch does a great job with the heavy lifting, okay? And you'll notice there's some supplemental resources also attached to this website. So that's week 1. Next week you'll do week 2, and so on. So I hope you take advantage of these resources. I think they will be very helpful. Also, I plan to post on the discussion board where it says general questions. Probably in a week or so, I'm going to start putting topic-specific questions and solutions in here. So if you're stuck with how to calculate a mean, I'll produce a video and I'll keep it in this general questions area. So I would suggest checking this area from time to time. Okay? Well, that's it for this video. Have a great semester.